Hello, I am Dr. K. Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on Constitution of India part 3. This I have compiled specifically for BTech students, those who are to write this subject in their examinations very soon of AKTU. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The governor of a state is appointed by the president on the advice of the A. Prime Minister, B. Vice President, C. Chief Minister, D. Chief Justice. Correct option is A. Prime Minister. Question number 2. The president gives his resignation to the A. Chief Justice, B. Parliament, C. Vice President, D. Prime Minister. Correct option is C. Vice President. Question number 3. For what period does the Vice President of India hold office? A. 5 years, B. Till the age of 65 years, C. 6 years, D. 2 years. Correct option is A. 5 years. Question number 4. Who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the President? A. Governor, B. Election Commissioner, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Prime Minister. Correct option is A. Governor. Question number 5. Which of the following is not true regarding the payment of the emoluments of the President? A. They can be reduced during a financial emergency. B. They are shown separately in the budget. C. They are charged on the contingency fund of India. D. They do not require any parliament sanction. Correct option is C. They are charged on the contingency fund of India. Question number 6. The total number of members nominated by the president to the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha is A. 16, B. 18, C. 14, D. 12. Correct option is C. 14. Mind it, here it is including Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. 2 plus 12. Question number 7. Which one of the following does not constitute the electoral college for electing the President of India? A. Elected members of Lok Sabha, B. Elected members of the Legislative Assembly of each state, C. Elected members of the Legislative Council, D. Elected members of Rajya Sabha. Correct option is C. Elected members of the Legislative Council. 8. The Council of Ministers in parliamentary type of government can remain in office till it enjoys the support of the A. Minority of members of the upper house of parliament, B. Majority of the members of the upper house of parliament, C. Minority of members of the lower house, D. Majority of the members of the lower house of parliament. Correct option is D. Majority of the members of the lower house of parliament. Question number 9. Which of the following appointments is not made by the President of India? A. Chief of the Army, B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Chief of Air Force. Correct option is B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 10. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? A. Lok Sabha, B. President, C. Parliament, D. Citizens of India. Correct option is B. President. Question number 11. The first woman governor of a state in free India was A. Mrs. Indira Gandhi, B. Mrs. Jayalakshmi Pandit, C. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, D. Mrs. Sucheta Kriplani. Correct option is C. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Question 12. Minimum age required to contest for presidency is A. 23 years, B. 21 years, C. 35 years, D. 30 years. Correct option is C. 35 years. Question number 13. The charge of impeachment against the President of India for his removal can be preferred by A. Both houses of parliament, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha and Chairman of Rajya Sabha, C. Rajya Sabha, D. Lok Sabha. Correct option is A. Both houses of parliament. Question number 14. The Chief Minister of a Union Territory where such a setup exists is appointed by the A. Lieutenant Governor, B. Majority Party in Legislature, C. President, D. Prime Minister. Correct option is A. Lieutenant Governor. Question number 15. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct option is A. Jawaharlal. 16. In case a president dies while in office, the vice president can act as president for a maximum period of A. 1 year, B. 3 months, C. 6 months, D. 2 years. Correct option is 6 months. 17. The Union Council of Ministers consists of A. Cabinet Ministers, Ministers of State and Deputy Ministers, B. Cabinet Ministers and Chief Ministers of the states, C. Prime Minister, D. Cabinet Ministers. Correct option is A. Cabinet Ministers, Minister of State and Deputy Ministers. 18. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? A. Chief Justice, B. Speaker, C. Vice President, D. Prime Minister. Correct option is A. Chief Justice. 19. Who among the following enjoys the rank of a Cabinet Minister of the Indian Union? A. Secretary to the Government of India, B. Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission, C. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission. By the way, now Planning Commission is no more, that is Niti Aayog. So the question, since it is here, so we need to answer this question. Question number 20. A person who is not member of parliament can be appointed as a minister by president for a maximum period of A. 9 months, B. 3 months, C. 12 months, D. 6 months. Correct option is D. 6 months. Question number 21. When can a president use his discretion in appointing the prime minister? A. When no political party enjoys a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. B. Only when the Lok Sabha has been dissolved. C. In all circumstances. D. In no circumstances. Correct option is A. When no political party enjoys a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. 22. If in a country where there happens to be the office of monarchy as well as parliamentary form of government, this monarchy will be called A. Head of the state, B. Head of the cabinet, C. Head of government, D. Both head of the government and state. Correct option is A. Head of the state. 23. One feature distinguishing Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Parishad is A. Power of impeachment, B. Indirect election, C. Nomination of members, D. Tenure of membership. Correct option is A. Power of impeachment. 24. Chief ministers of all these states are ex officio members of the A. Planning Commission, B. National Development Council, C. Interstate Council, D. Finance Commission. Correct option is C. Interstate Council. 25. Who among the following has the final right to sanction the expenditure of public money in India? A. Speaker, B. President, C. Prime Minister, D. Parliament. Correct option is B. President. 26. Which of the following is not an essential qualification for appointment as a governor? A. He must not be a member of either house of parliament. B. Should be a domicile of the state to which he is being appointed. C. He should be a citizen of India. D. He must have completed the age of 35 years. Correct option is B. He should be a domicile of the state to which he is being appointed. 27. The President nominates 12 members of the Rajya Sabha according to A. Their performance as office bearers of cultural societies. B. The recommendations made by the Vice President. C. The role played in political setup of the country. D. Their distinction in the field of science, art, literature and social service. Correct option is D. Their distinction in the field of science, art, literature and social service. 28. Which article of the Constitution empowers the President to appoint a commission to investigate the condition of backward classes in general and suggest ameliorative measures? A. Article 342, B. Article 344, C. Article 340, D. Article 339. Correct option is C. Article 340. 29. Who can initiate impeachment proceedings against the President of India? A. Either a House of Parliament, B. Any Vidhan Sabha, C. Only Lok Sabha, D. Rajya Sabha. Correct option is A. Either House of Parliament. 30. Who was the member of Rajya Sabha when first appointed as the Prime Minister of India? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri, B. Charan Singh, C. Morarji Desai, D. Indira Gandhi. Correct option is D. Indira Gandhi. All about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.